Good morning students, Mehta Solutions, our channel. In last class we learnt about the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now we are going to learn about the sums, important sums in the exercise sums. That is especially in NCERT directly in 8.4 exercise mein this sum is there. And now we are going to learn what is that sum means. In an equilateral triangle ABC, this is an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. See students, given that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC, because it is an equilateral triangle ABC, I took that sides are all are x, x, x. Now, as per the given, BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC, so BD is equal to x by 3, x by 3. Now, construction means draw AE altitude perpendicular to BC. See, in equilateral triangle, the altitude which bisects the base at this point, and it is also 90 degrees both sides, is the AE line is the perpendicular bisector of BC, because altitude in equilateral triangle is this, like that. And now our BE is equal to, see, BE is equal to x by 2. Why? Because BCX is the midpoint, so BE is equal to x by 2. Now to prove, I am taking two right angle triangles, this left side ABE and ADE. In this ABE triangle, angle E is equal to 90, so AB is the hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEB, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. In triangle AED, yes, AED, here hypotenuse is AD. This AD line is the hypotenuse. Angle E is equal to 90. Angle AED is equal to 90. So AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Subtract minus minus minus. AB square minus AD square is equal to, why we are subtracting means we got an equations of here A square and A square. We can get a chance to eliminate the A square by subtracting, but we have to prove it 9AD square is equal to 7AB square, so that cancel A square and AB square minus AD square is equal to BE square minus DE square. So AB square minus AD square is equal to BE square minus DE square. That is equal to BE, we know BE is equal to x by 2 whole square minus DE we don't know, but we can find out DE in terms of x values. How means, see, here BE is there and BD is there. DE means subtract BD minus from BE. From BE we can subtract BD. You will get the value of DE. So BE minus BD whole square, that is equal to x by 2 whole square minus of, what is the BE? BE means it is already we will point it is here x by 2. So x by 2 minus our BD is equal to x by 3 whole square. Now x square by 4 minus of, here take LCM, 6 LCM, 2 3 ja 3x minus 3 2 ja 2x whole square, that is equal to x square by 4 minus x by 6 whole square. See, 3x minus 2x is equal to x by 6 whole square. Now that is equal to x square by 4 minus x square by 36. that is equal to 36 is the LCM, and here 4 9s are 36, 9 into x square, 9x square minus x square, that is equal to our AB square minus AD square is equal to 8x square by 36. Cancel. 4 2s are 4 9s are, that is equal to 2 by 9 into x square. This is AB square minus AD square value. Now 2 by 9 x square. Now we have to replace the x value here. See, x is equal to, what is that x value? X is equal to BC. We took that x is equal to BC. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we can take x is equal to AB also. Now, therefore, AB square minus AD square is equal to 2 by 9 into AB square. AB square minus AD square is equal to 2 by 9 AB square. AB square minus AD square is equal to 2 by 9 AB square. Transpose the denominator left side. 9 into AB square minus AD square is equal to 2AB square. So expand. 9AB square minus 9AD square is equal to 2AB square. Interchange. AB square this side, AD square this side. 9AB square minus 2AB square is equal to, minus ट्रांसफर करने के बाद प्लस 9AD square, 9AD square, and then 9 minus 2, 7AB square is equal to 9AD square. Yes, that only we have to prove. See, again, this is in 8.4 exercise of NCERT का 14th sum in same triangle chapter. See, the sum is the perpendicular from A on BC on side ABC triangle. This is the perpendicular line, so it is 90. It is only perpendicular only, not an altitude. It is not an equilateral triangle also. It is just a normal triangle and intersects BC at D. Here this line intersects at D here, such that DB is equal to 3CD. 3CD part is small, DB part is big. Now we have to prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Now see, hence this small part is CD. I take the small CD is equal to x, so that DB is equal to 3x. Now we have to prove that there are two right angle triangles. The first one is a right side big triangle ABD. In triangle ABD or ADB, ADB, hypotenuse is AB. Applying Pythagoras rule, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. And this side triangle, in triangle ADC, here angle ADC is 90 degrees. This one is 90. So that this AC is the hypotenuse. By applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Subtraction. Minus AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square cancel, DB square minus CD square. Now we took the DB is equal to 3x. This is our assumption. So 3x whole square minus x whole square, that is equal to 9x square minus x square, that is equal to 8x square. Your AB square minus AC square is equal to, now I am multiplying with this both sides with 2 here into 2. So 2 into this one, 2 into AB square minus 2AC square is equal to 16x square. Release 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to 16x square. I can write 16x square is equal to 4x whole square. Is a perfect square. 16x square is the quarter. So that 4x whole square. But here what is 4x? X plus 3x, total 4x, CD plus DB, total BC. Instead of this 4x, we can write here BC. 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. What we have to prove it? 2AB square is equal to 2A square plus BC square. Yes, transfer 2A square that side. 2AB square is equal to this minus will change one kanika bath plus 2AC square plus BC square. Okay, this only we have to prove in this sum. Now students, again from Meta Solutions, our channel. See, this is 16 sum in 8.4 axis of NCERT. So this is in an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Prove that the 3 times of the square of one side, either this or this is this, because all sides are equal. So 3 times of the square of the one side. Suppose if you take AB square of one side, AB square 3 times, so 3AB square equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. This is AD altitude. Square of altitude AD square and 4 times is equal to 4AD square. To prove 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. This we have to prove it. 3 times of square of the one side is equal to 4 times of the square of the one of its altitudes. Now take this triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, apply Pythagoras rule. AB is the hypotenuse. See, because angle C, angle D is the ADB is the 90 degrees here. So this AB is the hypotenuse. Now AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, implies AB square is equal to AD square like that only BD, because since all sides are equal, this equal. Okay, B altitude, equilateral triangle altitude means D is the midpoint. Here D is the midpoint. So BD is equal to BC by 2. BD is equal to BC by 2 plus BC by 2 whole square, and then again AB square is equal to AD square plus, instead of BC I am writing as AB because we took here AB so that all sides are equal. So that in place of BC I am writing AB by 2 whole square. So AB square is equal to AD square plus AB square by 4, expand the square, and then now LCM. 4 is the LCM. 4 into this 4 into AD square plus AB square. AB square here left side, transfer 4 this side. 4 AB square is equal to 4 AD square plus AB square. Transfer AB square this side because we have proved 3 AB square only. So that 4 AB square minus AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Now what is 4 AB square minus AB square? 3 AB square. So 3 AB square is equal to 4 AD square. We proved same, whatever the requirement is there to prove same, we have proved this. Now students, please like our videos and share the videos and subscribe our videos, and then share the videos to your friends also, and friends who are studying in 10th class, and then hit the bell icon, and then you will get all my videos as notifications. In next class also we are going to learn about the triangles only. So in one more class some 3-4 important sums are there, that also we are going to discuss. It will be helpful to practice to you, and you can able to write in the examinations. Thank you very much.